In this exercise, we will look at how to add threads to the head part. The head part is a part connected to the bar by the rivets. So looking firstly at the part in question, file open. The sketch was created as follows on the right plane. And extruded by a distance of 35 millimeters . Then another sketch was created to provide the recess or the decoration to the following measurements. Now these measurements are provided in the accompanying handout. And it was extrude cut by a distance 12.5 millimeters in each direction, which is a total distance of 25 millimeters. A couple of fillets were added, and then the holes for the rivets were created on the front. And to make sure that the holes are in the correct place, the measurements there are shown. Once again, a couple of fillets are added to the end just to finish it off. That is the part itself. To add the threads to this part, we first of all open up the part that contains the thread, and that's the threaded bar that we created earlier. In this threaded bar, select Insert, we select Part, and we select the head part. The head part here, in this case it's the right way up, but if the orientation wasn't correct, it'd be a matter of going over to the X, Y, and Z icon there and clicking on the relevant axis. So as we can see here, it's the correct way up. So another important thing to do is to make sure that the part we're bringing in is completely over the threads, not out towards one of the ends. So there is the part in question. And then on the left hand side we can see a mate window is active. So we want to mate the cylinder of the thread to the recess in the head and add and accept that. Now the next thing we have to do is to select the combine feature in the features commands. If this is not there, we can type it in the search window. We have it there. Now you've got three options: add, subtract, or combine. We will choose subtract. The part to subtract the main body is the head, and the body to subtract is the threads from the threaded bar. So we'll select the threaded bar here. We'll accept that. And now you can see the material is taken away from the inside of the head part to provide the threads. And the last thing we have to do now is to give it an appearance. And once again, brush steel, which was applied to the previous part, so it automatically selects it, and we'll give it a blue colour. This is a new part, so I will call this file Save As Thread 2. And this is the part that we will be using in the assembly for connecting all the parts together. This part is complete.